In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency in Klaviyo. Changing your account currency is an important step if you sell in a specific region or want your reports, flows, and email content to line up with the prices your customers actually see on your store. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to update the account-wide currency setting inside Klaviyo and point out a couple of options you'll want to pay attention to so everything updates the way you expect. First, log into your Klaviyo dashboard using your usual login details. Once you're in, take a look at the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see the name of your organization there. Go ahead and click on that organization name. A small menu will pop up, and from that menu, choose the option labeled Settings. After you click Settings, you'll be taken to a new page with a menu running down the left-hand side. From this left navigation, click on Organization. This is where Klaviyo stores the high-level settings that affect your entire account, including your currency. On the organization page, scroll down until you find the section called Account Currency. It may be a little bit down the page, so don't worry if you don't see it right away. Once you find it, you'll notice a drop-down menu. Click on that drop-down, and you'll see a list of supported currencies. Choose the currency that matches how you want prices and revenue to appear across your Klaviyo account. For example, if most of your customers are in Europe, you might switch from dollars to euros here. Just below the currency selection, you may see an option to apply this change to flow-based emails and scheduled drafts. This is optional, but very important. If you check this box, Klaviyo will update the currency format in any flows or campaigns that are already set up but not yet sent. This can help keep your messaging consistent, especially if you're in the middle of building out automation or have upcoming campaigns scheduled. If you prefer to review those individually, you can leave the box unchecked and adjust them manually later. Once you've selected your preferred currency and decided whether to apply it to flows and scheduled drafts, scroll down and click the Save button. Give it a moment to process. After saving, your account-wide currency setting is updated, and future reporting and content that relies on that setting will use the new currency you selected. And that's all you need to do to change your account-wide currency in Klaviyo.